Today, let's explore a very interesting topic, fingernails. And you know what? Our fingernails are more than just tiny nails. They're a world of wonders and secrets. When we magnify our fingernails with magnifying glass, you will find many amazing things. As the camera slowly zooms in, fingernails get huge. It's like entering a microscopic event. You can see that there are some fine lines on the nails. It's called methane. Healthy fingernails are usually pink. Nails that lack certain important nutrients can develop white spots or uneven color. When we look at the clipped nails, it's an easy place where dirt hides. Our hands are constantly touching various objects. These items may contain dust, dirt, bacteria, and other microorganisms on their surfaces. When we touch objects, these tiny particles and organisms may cling to fingernails. The gaps in the fingernails also provide an environment for bacteria to hide and grow. If you don't pay attention to hand hygiene, for example, infrequent hand washing or improper cleaning of fingernails, bacteria and other microorganisms may accumulate in these gaps. Some children have a bad habit. That's biting fingernails. When you are biting on your fingernails, bacteria and viruses will be eaten together in the stomach. It's easy to get sick. So for our health, be sure to get rid of the bad habit of biting your fingernails. In addition, we also have deep fingerprints on our fingers. It's also easy to hide dirt in here, although there may be bacteria on fingernails. But our bodies have certain natural defense mechanisms against most common bacteria. However, good hand hygiene remains essential to preventing the spread of infectious diseases, especially in public places or in close contact with others. Good hand hygiene is the key to reducing bacteria and dirt on your fingernails. Wash hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and warm water. Regularly clean fingernails. Maintain the appropriate length of nails. Avoid biting your nails or touching your face with your hands. These are all good habits to reduce the spread of bacteria. Today's journey of exploration of the microscopic world ends here. If you are interested in microvision, you can follow me. Leave a message in the comment area. Let's explore the mysteries of the microscopic world together.